To use Zelle cancel payment, start by understanding what Zelle is. A popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. If you have sent a payment through Zelle and want to cancel it, follow these steps. First, check if the payment is still pending. If the payment has already been processed, you will not be able to cancel it. Log in to your bank's online banking platform or mobile app and navigate to the Zelle section. Look for the payment you want to cancel and check its status. If it says pending, you may be able to cancel it. Next, contact your bank's customer support immediately. They will be able to assist you in canceling the payment. Provide them with the payment details, including the recipient's name, the amount, and the time the payment was sent. The customer support representative will then attempt to cancel the payment. It is essential to note that canceling a Zelle payment is not always possible, especially if the recipient has already received the funds. If the payment has been processed, you may need to contact the recipient directly and ask them to refund the money. To avoid issues with Zelle payments in the future, make sure to double-check the recipient's information before sending a payment. Verify the recipient's name, email address, and phone number to ensure you are sending the payment to the correct person. In addition, be cautious when sending payments to unknown recipients, as you may not be able to recover your funds if something goes wrong. Keep in mind that Zelle payments are typically processed quickly, so it is crucial to act fast if you need to cancel a payment. By following these steps and being mindful of the potential risks, you can use Zelle with confidence and avoid any issues with canceled payments. Remember to always prioritize security and verify the recipient's information before sending a payment through Zelle.